Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate on Instagram story. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and if you want to collaborate on Instagram story, you have to be tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story. And after you have been mentioned or tagged in someone else's Instagram story, you will get the notification on your Instagram direct message. So you can open your Instagram direct message, and this is the account who mentioned me in a story. We can click on this account. Then if you want to collaborate on this Instagram story, we just need to click on add to your story. Okay, and just wait for a moment. And if you want to get the full screen, you just need to click on this story like this. Then after you get the full screen, you just need to click on your story to share this Instagram story to your Instagram. You can also add tags or add sticker or maybe music to your Instagram story before you post it. And after you're done, you just need to click on your story. Okay, and just wait for a moment. And I'm going to go back to my Instagram homepage to check my story. Alright, and this is the story that I have just uploaded to my Instagram. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can collaborate on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.